ang desisyon ng 1Z Entertainment at ng SB19 or executive ng 1C sa nasabi nga pong pag-promote at paglalabas ng bagong girl group na kung saan isang netizen po or fan ang narito ang kanyang narrative or opinion. Mula sa isang netizen, aniya, scary daw ang gagawin ng SB19. It's scary. I don't get it mga kaps. Why is SB19 so reckless to build a girl group too soon? This may confuse 18, thus resulting to a speculation that SB19 is retiring soon, which is contrary to their aggressive social media campaign regarding SB19 globalization expansion after ACON 2025 performance. Ironically, this will divide their fans' attention and fans' resources, aside from SB19 themselves dividing their focus, time, energy, and financial resources with the GG. Isn't this recklessness? How can they manage a GG at the same time managing SB19 themselves? Considering that SB19 was and still struggling to achieve full globalization due to limited financial and other resources being a small company compared with big management companies. SB19, please realize that financial resources is needed to spend money to produce quality music, need money to participate in big festivals, etc. So GG or girl group will divide all these resources, and it may take 5 years to get your ROI, return on investment, on this GG. So why spend for them rather than spend for SB19, because SB19 deserves world-class quality, not mediocre. Anyway, for sure, hindi naman to ilalabas ng 1C kung hindi nila ito pinag-aralan. Mabuti. Natural na next step ng SB19. Hindi na lang sila performers ngayon. Leaders din sila ng industriya at tandaan natin yan. Ang pagbuo ng sariling talent like a girl group ay senyales na handa na silang magpamana ng kaalaman at karanasan. Gusto nilang palawakin ng P-pop, hindi lang sarili nilang brand. Parang sinasabi nilang hindi lang kami dito para sumikat, kundi nandito kami para magtayo. Malaking tulong sa P-pop girl groups. Sa totoo lang, kulang pa rin ang malalaking suportadong P-pop girl groups kapag ang 1C ang naglabas. May decent training system, may creative freedom dahil SB19 mismo dumaan sa hirap. Mas may artist first mindset, hindi lang negosyo. This could raise the standards sa industriya. Creative credibility ng 1C. Ang SB19 ay kilala sa involvement sa songwriting and production, authenticity, respeto sa fans. Kung dadalhin nila yan sa bagong girl group, malaki ang chance na hindi cookie cutter, may sariling tunog at identity, hindi kinukumpara agad sa K-pop kundi P-pop na may sariling kulay. May risk nga ba? Dito, may risk pero calculated. Siyempre may risk. Mataas ang expectations, ikukumpara agad sa SB19, pressure sa bagong group. Pero advantage nila, alam na nila ang mga pagkakamaling ayaw na nilang maulit. Mas maingat sila sa pacing, kaya mabagal pero pulido. Overall take, tama ang timing at tama ang intensyon. Kung magtatagumpay, hindi lang bagong girl group ang mailalabas nila, bagong blueprint para sa P-pop industry. Well, ano kaya ang masasay ng 18 about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Showbiz Now.